As a newcomer to Canada, you will likely face many challenges, but there are certain things that can make the transition smoother. Here are some must-have things for newcomers to Canada. 1. Valid documents. Newcomers should ensure that their documents are up to date and valid before they arrive in Canada. They should also make sure to carry these documents with them at all times, as they may be asked to present them at various stages, such as when crossing the border, renting a house, or applying for a job. 2. Warm clothing. Canada is a country with harsh winters, and newcomers need to be prepared for the cold weather. It is essential to have warm clothing, such as jackets, hats, gloves, and boots, to stay warm during the winter months. It is important to protect exposed skin, such as the face and hands, from the cold by wearing gloves and a hat. 3. Health insurance. While Canada has a publicly funded healthcare system, newcomers are not automatically eligible for coverage and must have their own health insurance. Newcomers should research and compare different health insurance options to find the best coverage that suits their needs and budget. In addition to health insurance, newcomers should also consider purchasing travel insurance, which provides coverage for emergency medical expenses while traveling outside of Canada. 4. Bank account. Opening a bank account is an important step for newcomers to Canada to help manage their finances and access financial services. Newcomers should research and compare different banks and their services to find the best option that suits their needs. Check out the links in description for latest bank offers where you can earn huge cashback. It is important to choose a bank that offers services in multiple languages, as language barriers can be a challenge for newcomers. It is advisable to choose a bank that offers online and mobile banking services, which can be convenient for managing finances and accessing banking services from anywhere. 5. Language skills. Canada has 2 official languages, English and French, and language proficiency can greatly impact a newcomer's ability to adapt and thrive in their new home. Newcomers should consider improving their language skills through language classes, language exchange programs, or other language learning resources available in their community. In addition to language classes, newcomers can also practice their language skills by engaging in community activities, volunteering, or joining social clubs. 6. Support system. Starting a new life in a new country can be challenging, and having a support system can greatly ease the transition for newcomers to Canada. A support system can include family members, friends, or community organizations that share similar cultural or linguistic backgrounds. Social media platforms can also be useful for connecting with other newcomers and building a support network. 7. Employment opportunities. One of the first steps in finding employment opportunities is to research the job market in the region where newcomers plan to live. It can be helpful to reach out to job placement agencies or career counselors who can provide guidance and advice on job searching strategies. Newcomers should also be prepared to tailor their resumes and cover letters to the Canadian job market. Networking is also an important aspect of finding employment opportunities in Canada. Newcomers can attend job fairs, industry conferences, and connect with professionals in their field through LinkedIn. Read the detailed article on CanadaNeo.com. Link is given in the description. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.